Okay, so here we're gonna measure Mason's spinal curves. So this can tell us a lot of good information. 30, 15, 10. Now we can understand what his thoracic curve is and what his lumbar curve is. Now he's already come in and suspected that he has a hyperlordosis, and that's usually coupled with anterior pelvic tilt, which we confirmed that he does have. For his thoracic curve, we got the number 45, and normal we're looking for 35. So what does that mean? It just means he has a little extra curve, which we would call kyphosis. For lumbar curve, however, a normal would be 35 degrees, and for you, actually, we got 25 degrees. So interestingly enough, you've got an anterior pelvic tilt, but your lumbar spine is just a little more flattened. Very peculiar. That's how mine is too, typically. Now we have to kind of look like a little bit deeper, like why is the back more flat and the pelvis more tilted? But if we just look at the anatomy, you know, we can look at like the quad muscles. Maybe the quad muscles are pulling it down. Maybe the lower abdominals are a little bit weakened, so to say. So the pelvis is it's not quite stabilized by the lower abdominals. And then, you know, maybe there's some glute stuff. The hamstrings are probably feeling a little tight from the pull of the pelvis. Do you find that you have tight hamstrings, like you're stretching them all the time, or?
I almost stretch. I mean, I feel like I almost stretch them just out of habit, but it might just
Sure.
be because I feel the tightness.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
And maybe we just need to do some lower back strengthening. But yeah, further investigation is needed.